Hello friends, how are you all? In today's video, we are going to discuss with normal English versus better English. Like every day, this is your Ramprasad sir and our topic is normal English versus better English. Like it is not that difficult to do. It's not difficult. It is not that much difficult to do. All are same examples. But in better English, we can say it's not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science. Next example, I'm very busy. I'm very busy. Okay. I am swamped. I am swamped. Next example, can I come tomorrow? If we want to use in better English, we can say like this, can I drop in tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? Okay. In normal English, often we say, sorry, I fell asleep. আমি ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছিলাম. Sorry, I fell asleep. আমি ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছিলাম. In better English, we say like this, sorry, I nodded off. Sorry, I nodded off. Okay. Next example, keep it a secret. Keep it a secret. গোপন রাখো. In better English, we can say like this, keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Another example, I am very good. I am very good. So in better English, we say like this, I am excellent. I am excellent. Okay. Next example, she is pregnant. She is pregnant. In better English, we say like this, she is expecting a baby. She is expecting a baby. In better English, we say she is expecting a baby. In normal English, we often say, I am very tired. I am very tired. I'm খুব ক্লান্ত. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Okay. Another example, I don't know. We often say, I don't know. In better English, we say like this, it beats me. It beats me. Okay. In normal English, we say, why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? কেন এত রেগে যাচ্ছ? Why are you so angry? In better English, we say, why are you so pissed off? Why are you so pissed off? Okay. Another example, good luck. So in better English, we say, break a leg. Break a leg. Okay. In normal English, we say, I am very hungry. আমার খুব খিদে পেয়েছে. I am very hungry. In better English, we say, I am starving. I am starving. আমার খুব খিদে পেয়েছে. In normal English, we say, I am very happy. I am very happy. In better English, I am over the moon. I am over the moon. In normal English, I am very happy. In better English, I am over the moon. Another example, let's meet today. Let's meet today. চলো আজ আমরা একসাথে দেখা করি, সাক্ষাৎ করি. Let's catch up today. In better English, we can say, let's catch up today. Okay. So here we have come to our feedback page. Here I have given the WhatsApp and Telegram number. You can contact me through this number and you can give your valuable feedback through our YouTube comment box. Okay. And for our more videos, you can check the description box, details section of this video. You can see more popular videos. And if you still didn't subscribe this channel, please do subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. And we will meet it in our next video. Till then, thank you. Tata. Bye bye.